Good morning, all. Our project is geo marketing. The teammates are Shobit JB, Rajat Balal, Satyaj Rao, and me, under the guidance of our Professor Pratap MS, Assistant Professor, Department of CS. The project is the geo marketing. That's abstract is that the usual consumers search a product based on its category and go to the related kind of the shops and buy the product. It seems for examples, the electric items, the fancy items, they are going to the related kind of the shops and buy that. But there's the particular in a shop, they sells various categories of goods at the same time. It's like the newspapers and the toys and the accessories, stationaries, that all. But the consumers may not easily notice and purchase these goods, especially if they are in hurry or not familiar with the shops nearby. The shops users cannot buy that the product if the nearest shop or that if the users will be hurry to buy that. So we have to develop that project as this geo marketing. Introduction about our project. India is the one of the largest consumer market in the world, with its population of middle class consumers expected to reach 200 million in 2020 and 470 million in the 2030. So it's a complex, diverse consumers market, and it is vital to tailor your marketing strategies and even your product to local preferences. Uh, in the nowadays, the consumers or the users all are going to buy the products in the online because we will get in from home. The shoppers are all are getting in lowest price in online and getting that in our home in the same place. So all are going to shops in online. Before based on this, the local shops are not getting the profit and all. So we have to getting the project to geo marketing being developed. The project is mainly aimed on developing marketing applications which will compress the gap between the consumer and the local market. It will compress the gap between the local market and the consumers. They have to communicate each other. This project will help to local market to make smarter business to move more efficient operations, higher profit, and the happier customers. Customers can be review and select our product in various shops in the local market. So they can buy the good product and they have to in lowest price also. This application will filter the user interest by analyzing the browsing history and predict the related product that are available in the local market which is geographically nearer to customer. The user will search the product in this app. They will we are getting the location of the user, and getting that we have to process that and giving the searched product with this nearest shop to locate the market which is nearer to customer. This application will use the global positioning system technology. Filter the user interest will be done analyzing the cookies in the client device. The user will be searches in various browsers and the other apps. That search results will be stored in the cookies. We have to analyze that cookies which is most they have to search it. That's the we get the user's interest in that. That product will be notifying that notifying the user based on the GPS. And we have to make the literature survey on this marketing business. We have to getting the user location tracking. That user location tracking will be the global positioning system is used to track the user location in this project, and the GPS provides an accurate result up to 30 centimeter radius. The user's location will be getting to our project will be the accurate is the up to 30 centimeter radius. Google Map API for displaying the map. The Google Map API is in the open source in the online. We have to getting that API, and we use that for displaying the map in our project. The Google Map API is the no cost, it's a freely available. The recommendation systems are the collaborative filtering algorithm and the content based algorithm. The collaborative filtering algorithm, it groups the users those who are interested in similar products, because it's a collaborative algorithm is a algorithm where there are multiple ways to find the similar users or the items, and multiple ways to calculating a rating based on ratings of similar users. It is calculating on the basis of the rating based on the user gives to and the item. And the content based algorithm, recommendation based on similar products. Content based filtering is an cognitive filtering, recommends the items based on the comparison between the content of the items and the user profile. Substitute product recommendation, it is the two approaches. Filter based on distance radius recommended similar products. The system based on the distance radius means we have to get the radius for users GPS location. Based on that, we have to getting the nearest shops to from the distance from the user and the shop. We have to getting the lowest, that will be the nearest. And the recommend similar products, we are recommend the similar products based on the search using the like we have to for example, if the person purchase the brush, they have to also buy the Colgate. So we have to recommend that similar products, and the search products will be done on the fuzzy matching. The fuzzy matching will be is a technique used in the computer assisted translation as a special case of the record linkages. It works with the matches that may be less than 100% perfect when finding the correspondence between the segment of a text and entries in a database of previous transitions. Our project will be requirement of softwares and hardwares are, the hardware requirements are required devices Android smartphone, that memory has to be minimum 512 MB, and the processor is Snapdragon MediaTek Kirin All. And the software requirements are for the systems, operating system will be Windows, Linux or Mac. The software tools are Android Studio, Postman browser and the XAMPP. Programming languages we used are Java, PHP, XML, HTML, jQuery, Ajax, and the JavaScript. We used the database, the MariaDB. The minimum RAM is required for 4 GB and the ROM is 3 GB minimum. The system design. We have to give the system design for this system is the first design for geo marketing for two sides. One is the vendor side and the user side. The vendor side, vendor will first log in the app and giving the details of the vendors and the shop details, and first we have to getting that geolocating for using the map, Google API. We getting the accurate geolocation for that vendor shop, and then getting the shop details, and the in shops the various product details that are be included added to the database. And the user, in the user side, user will log in and getting the geolocator to getting the location the user, and we have to getting the analysis of the cookies. We have to analyze the cookies from the user's mobile or Android smartphone. Based on that, we have to getting the prediction of the interest for the user. The use case diagram for this is the user use case diagram. In this user use case diagram, user will be first of all open the app, first install the app and open it, and we have to getting the sign up, first login. If the user is exist, they have to give the username and the password getting the login. Otherwise they have to sign up with that, like username, password, location, and etc. And after that user will be login. In the user login, they have the search bar options. They have to search the products, or the search the product, and based on that search we have to getting the shop details. You have to go to the shops and buy it, or otherwise they have to getting the get recommendations based on that cookies analysis, and we have to getting the which all are related or interested products that user. We are giving the recommendation for the notification, and the user will be search the product, and the list of shops will be available from the downwards. They have to search it and getting the nearest shop which will be there, and the lowest price select the target shop the user. And after that they have to buy the product from the shop, and they give the ratings for that product. And this is the vendor use case diagram. In the vendor side, they have to same as the user, but here will be the first they have to sign up and the login, then giving the upload the shop details which are required, the shop name and the shop type and the location of the shop, that all are. And after that add the shop locations. Then afterwards they have to add the product details, which all are product have the shops, like stationaries, which all are product are there, books and pens, pencils, that all are. And if the others in accessories or the fancy items, that are uploaded, add the product details to the product, and update whenever the shop details are completed. After that the shop vendors will be update the every product details, because if the product will be sold, then you have to update that product if it is sold -1 database, this type. And this is the data flow diagram for this our project. We have to first start open it, and we have to give that the first consumer or the vendor. The consumer, it will goes in separate way, and the vendor, it will be goes in separate way. If that is a consumer, they have to log in or sign up. The existing user, they will be login, or new user, you have to sign up, then have to log in. If it's a new user, take the consumer details to the database, or the if there's login based on its existing user, give the username and the password, and go to the home page and search and the fetch from the DB and display the appropriate result based on the search. If there is a vendor, the vendor will be the login or sign up. If the new vendor, have to sign up, take the vendor details, take the product details, coordinate values for the geolocation, and save to the database. If there is a existing user, existing vendor, they have to log in using the username and the password. They go to the vendor home page, and this is the entity relationship diagram for our project. We have to give in the 4 tables, which are all that user, product, and the vendor. User searches the product, and the vendor upload the products. Based on that, the vendor will be the multiple relationship to the vendor and the product. The user will be, whenever we want, they will searches the product. The user, they getting the email ID as a username, password as password, and the vendor has the shop type, email, password, shop name, and the products rating, and the product ratings and the shop ratings, license number, GST number, latitude and longitude, and the phone number. They have to add to the vendor side, vendor table. And the product table, we have to add it product ID, product name, quantity, and the price. The product name and the quantity will be the product ID will be the primary key in the product table. Email is the primary key in user. License number for the shop is vendor side is primary key. The conclusion part of our project. This proposed project is a smart solution for the local trader who is underrated by online trading system. The shops, in local shops, they have not in the online shopping, online trading, because they have the less knowledge about the online trading, and they cannot sell the product in online. So we have to develop this project in that promote the local trading system to compete with the online trading, because our project will be in that the user will be searches the project and getting the nearest shop location. They have to go and buy from that shop only. In the online, they have to give the how many quantity and the discount rate they will be pay. In that, we have to give the reduce the gap between the customers and the local market. So thank you.